Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to add shop address in Google Maps. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to go to Google and search for Google Business. Click here. Sign in. Here we write the name of our business. Here we can choose the type of business. In my case, I will put local store. Here we can put a category of our business. Here we must put the exact location of our business. Here we can put a contact phone number for our business. Here we wait. And here we can configure the days we want our business to be open or closed in Maps. Here we will add a description. And here we should put photos of our business, as these examples shown here. This is optional. And this is also optional. Now we will click on Continue and surely our business will appear in Google Maps. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you.